So we are going to do a quick exercise of listening in which you will probably have to use your dictionary. So how are we going to do it and why? Well, basically I'm going to read a sentence to you twice. In that sentence there's probably a word or verb that you do not know. So you will probably have to write it down in phonetics and then go to your dictionary to find it. So the best way to do that is to stop the video after the second playing, so after the second time I've said the sentence. And based on your notes, what you've heard, try to find the words that you do not know in your dictionary. And finally, so there will be 15 sentences, and at the end of the 15 sentences, I'll go with you over the correction and the solutions. So let's start with the first one. Dans cette histoire, il est le dindon de la farce. Dans cette histoire, il est le dindon de la farce. Second sentence. Je dois aller chez le kinésithérapeute pour mon dos. Je dois aller chez le kinésithérapeute pour mon dos. Third sentence. On a été voir le film en VO. On a été voir le film en VO. Fourth sentence. Il y a eu un terrible vacarme lors de l'accident. Il y a eu un terrible vacarme lors de l'accident. Sentence number 5. Il ne veut pas en démordre. Il ne veut pas en démordre. Sentence number 6. Le juge fait preuve d'indulgence. Le juge fait preuve d'indulgence. Sentence number 7. Quel capharnaüm dans cette pièce. Quel capharnaüm dans cette pièce. Sentence 8. Le cerf sort de la forêt. Le cerf sort de la forêt. Sentence number 9. J'ai reçu la balle en pleine poire. J'ai reçu la balle en pleine poire. Sentence number 10. Nous avons été cueillir des quetches dans le verger. Nous avons été cueillir des quetches dans le verger. Sentence number 11. Il ne dort quasiment jamais. Il ne dort quasiment jamais. Sentence 12. Monet collectionnait les estampes japonaises. Monet collectionnait les estampes japonaises. Sentence 13. Le chat est à la cime de l'arbre. Le chat est à la cime de l'arbre. Sentence 14. La faux n'est plus utilisée dans les champs. La faux n'est plus utilisée dans les champs. Sentence number 15 and last sentence. Il rumine sa vengeance. Il rumine sa vengeance. All right. Now let's see the corrections. Alors, in the first sentence, dans cette histoire, il est le dindon de la farce. Dindon de la farce is probably the expression that you didn't know, and it means to be the fall guy in English. The second sentence, je dois aller chez le kinésithérapeute pour mon dos. So kinésithérapeute was probably the difficult word for you, and it means physiotherapist in English. Sentence number 3. On a été voir le film en VO. Alors VO, these are letters, that means version originale. So that means that this is the original version of the movie without any dubbing or overdubs. Number 4, il y a eu un terrible vacarme lors de l'accident. Alors, I've made a small typo. It's not une terrible, but un terrible. Vacarme is masculine. So, vacarme means a lot of noise, racket, row. Alright. Il ne veut pas en démordre. Alors, démordre was probably what you did not know, and it means, alors, so that's more like an idiomatic expression. He is sticking to his guns. Number 6, le juge fait preuve d'indulgence. And that means that he's lenient. All right. Number 7. Quel capharnaüm dans cette pièce. So you can see that the spelling of this word is very original, and that means a shambles. D'accord? So what a shambles in this room. Le cerf sort de la forêt. So le cerf is the stag. J'ai reçu la balle en pleine poire. So poire, you have to find the expression en pleine poire, which means right in the face. Hein? So that's sort of very familiar expression. Or idiomatic expression if you like. Number 10, nous avons été cueillir des quetch dans le verger. Alors quetch, that was not an easy one. And these are kind of dark red plum. 11, il ne dort quasiment jamais. So quasiment et quasiment jamais means hardly ever. That's an adverb. 12, Monet collectionnait les estampes japonaises. So you have to find estampes japonaises, which means Japanese prints. 13, le chat est à la cime de l'arbre. Cime is the top of the tree, and of course the difficulty here was that you probably started looking at the letter S in the dictionary and did not find a word like this in the S section, so you had to go to the C section of the dictionary. La faux n'est plus utilisée dans les champs, so that's la faux is an agricultural term that and I cannot pronounce this word in English. I guess it's skis, but I'm not quite sure. So anyway, that's how it's spelled, S-C-Y-T-H-E. And the last one, 15, il rumine sa vengeance. So here you had to guess or to actually understand that it was going to be a verb because you had a subject and vengeance is a noun, but there was no verb. So you had to think verb and look at ruminer, which then means to ponder or to meditate.